Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a quick project share for you today. This is just the what I did on our live with Ebony, who is the crafty girl here on YouTube and on Instagram. So we were working on our Care Bear swap, and we worked with the Memdex cards. So what I completed from our live, I made this. This is my Care Bear Memdex. This is one of the requirements. The other requirement is a 3D backpack with a dangle, a Memdex with minimum of 4 layers, a 3-piece banner, minimum 3 pieces, and at least 3 layers for each pennant or each piece. And then a set of 2 embellishments, so a total of 4 altogether. You have a minimum of 3 layers for each embellishment, okay? So today I did my Memdex card, and I got these off of Etsy, the Care Bears, and the background paper, which is a cloud background. It looks like this. But I purchased 3 separate SVG, or not SVG, 3 separate digital kits. One was the Care Bears themselves. The other was the background papers. And the last one, it had some other images and some fonts. So this is the one that I'm working with. And I used 3 sets of dies. Okay. So for my Memdex card base, this is from Kscraft. It comes with a box. I'm not going to use the box because it's obviously not going to fit. But I did use the Memorydex card. Actually, I used 4 sets, so I'll show you the other one. So this is the Memdex card that I used to create the base for my Memdex card. Memorydex card. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so that was one. And then the other was 2 separate rainbow die sets. Okay, so this one was a gift from Ebony that she got from I believe it was Etsy. And this die set comes with a cloud, a stitched detailed cloud. And I wasn't supposed to pull this apart, but I didn't know. So you're supposed to keep them together. And this is not a cut piece, the stitching detail. This is just an embossing piece. So I should have left it together, but it still works. You could still work it, as you can see on my Memdex card. For the rainbow, I used this one. This is the rainbow bag topper set, and it comes with layering pieces, which is what I used, and clouds and the sun. So I didn't use the rainbow word. I used this piece right here, which is my base right here, the little white glitter cardstock in the background right there. So I cut that out, and then these are the layering pieces that you could use to create the colors for your rainbow. These are 1, 2, 3. Those are the colors. Okay, I did not use any of those details, these little tiny, tiny pieces. I did use the sun. I cut that out twice, and I offset the sun rays so you could see the rays. And then I used the clouds. So these are the cloud details. All right, so that's how I created my rainbow and my clouds for my Care Bear. I used some chalk for my details. So I used the blue and the red just to add some color accents onto the clouds. So here's the stitched clouds on the top. And then I added the little clouds to the front, right here, and just to fill in the space a little, because the Care Bears are usually up in the clouds, right? So that's what we got. And the magic on this one is, this is a pocket. I cut the Memdex card out twice, and I only glued this side around the bottom down here and up this side, up to there. And it created a pocket. And so you take that and put your info on that. And just write all your information on there. Your name, your social media that you are on, your social platforms like YouTube and Instagram. And then whatever other information you want to share, like your birthday or something. So that created my pocket. But this card right here is from the ATC card set. And yeah, here it is. I don't know. I think this was just a random set that I found on Amazon. But it comes with many layers. So this set is like this. I did not use this one. And I did not use these two. I used the largest card. And I put it this way. And guess what? It's the same shape as the top of my Memdex. So look at this. Isn't that cute? Like the point in the middle, and then you've got this little detail right there. But this one fits exactly into the pocket the way I wanted it to. So those are the 3 sets that I used. I was trying to use my Cricut to create my Memdex, but Cricut had other plans. It said you don't have enough storage on your computer. And so the back here, I could just add another Care Bear, like decorate it. But I think for now, that's what I've got. And I definitely wanted to use this one. This is Share Bear. Share Bear and Loves a Lot. So I got those 2. And I'm thinking I'll put a sentiment over here or not, or even up here. But for now, I'm just going to leave it like this. So you see, I combined several die sets. 1, 2, 3, 4 die sets. And I used the Cricut to cut the Care Bear out and a little background back here. So kind of gives it a little bit of a shadow, right? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. You guys go check out the replay on Ebony's channel, the Crafty Girl here on YouTube. And don't forget to also follow her on Instagram and myself. She is the Crafty Girl. Also, she has a Instagram shop, so check it out. The Rosette Guru, also on Instagram. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll be making more stuff for our Care Bear swap. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up this video. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button. Join the Crafty family. While you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thanks again, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.